Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when it's time to sleep, you gotta block out the world.
These BATHRINS 2-pack sleeping masks are so cozy. They have a strap that goes over each ears, which makes taking off so easy. These are so comfortable. They are double-sided. You can just see how thick and plush they are. The textured side is the warm side when it's cold, and on the smooth side, that's what you put on when it's warm to keep cool, which is great for me because I usually sleep hot. Each of the straps for the ears can be adjustable for personal use. So this can be for a man, a woman. This is also great for a gift set. I put it in a gift bag for some guests that were staying in our place. It's so convenient, can either be placed on the hook or on the shelf on your nightstand. Just have such a nice, easy access to it, and they look beautiful. I just love the look and the style. It's such an easy thing for me or my husband to just grab, to put on, strap onto your ears, and you're ready to sleep. I like how the strap is not going to mat up my hair while I sleep. It's just an easy thing to put on to feel comfortable, whether it's cold or warm. It's going to bring your couple snuggliness to a whole nother level. And it stays on so well, so you don't have to worry when you wake up. It's still there. You can just pull it up, hang it, put it on your shelf, and you're ready for your day.
You need. And that's my point of view.